Radnet as a company has entered the artificial intelligence space with a specific goal in mind, and that is early and better cancer screening. There is capabilities today that artificial intelligence presents us with that really do two primary goals. Number one, improve the cancer detection rate. And you improve that by, number one, earlier cancer detection, where it might be less visible to the general physician community. And number two, where you actually improve the accuracy of when an abnormality is discovered.
It's going to reduce some of the hesitancy or the anxiety that a callback or a biopsy may create in patients because they're worried that they may have something. And I think that we're going to have a significant impact on that over time.
And we can lessen the number of cancers where people have to come back, or cases where patients have to come back for further testing when it really wasn't necessary in the first place.
Artificial intelligence, our workflows and our processes, our professional interpretations, patient registration, and even in our technology, the equipment that we utilize, AI technology is going to have to play a very important role.
Artificial intelligence is going to have an enormous impact, not only on healthcare, but just almost in every area of the economy. And it needs not to be feared, it needs to be embraced, because I think it ultimately will improve the lives of everybody. The human mind and the human eye and the human ear can only tell so much. The computer used in a way to benefit people can have unlimited resources.